Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, black color, yellow color, green color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O N E 1. 2 T W O 2. Kids now draw 3. T H R W 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use blue color. S I X 6. 7. S E V E and 7. Kids again use blue color and draw 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. Kids now draw 10. T E N 10. The numbers of 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use black color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids last draw 15. The numbers of 15 and again use black color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.